Hello all and welcome back to the channel. This is Ketul Patel, and in this video we are going to solve the issue of Xbox game bar that come inbuilt in Windows 10. So let's start the tutorial without wasting time. So what happens like if you press Windows G, so uh, your game bar shortcut doesn't come up. So today we are going to solve that issue, and we are also going to look after that if you are playing a game in a full screen mode, then you face the issue that your game bar doesn't appear. So first let's go to the setting over here and then go to the gaming option over here. And then here, make sure that this record game clip screenshots and broadcast using game bar is on. So like if it is off, so like this, then just uh, turn it on and try again by pressing Windows G. So when you will press Windows G, you can see that the game bar shortcut, Xbox game bar shortcut is popping up. And if this also doesn't work for you, so what you should do is again go back to setting and go to the apps over here. Then in this page, go down here and type Xbox. So here you will find Xbox game bar. Click on that and click on the advanced option. And here if you will scroll down, you will get an option to reset it. So what it will do is it will uninstall your application, it will install back, so basically it will reset your application and install the application back with the default setting, and then again you can press the Windows G and it will work. And to solve the full screen issue, like if you are working on a if you are playing a game in a full screen mode and you press Windows G and you can see that the Windows Xbox game bar shortcut is not popping up. So that is because like when you are playing in a full screen mode, the Windows game bar shortcut will not support it. So what you have to do is you can see here that the default button for recording is Windows Alt G. So Windows key plus Alter key plus G key. So when you will press that while playing the game in a full screen mode, it will simply start recording in background and you will see a white screen pop up. So the screen will flash out. So that is that your game has started recording. So I hope that this video has helped you to solve the issue. If you are still getting the issue, you can comment down below. And if you like the video, press like button, subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more of the tutorials coming. Thank you for watching.